Welcome to How to Set Up a Book with PubML. Here I am in the WordPress backend, and you can see that my PubML plugin is installed here and that the license key is activated. To set up a new book, I'm going to go to My Books. If you've installed the plugin for the first time, your My Books section will be empty, of course, because you haven't put any books in it yet. Here we go. Here are my books and test books, and I'm going to create a new book for a friend and client, Richard Geller. So I'm going to enter the publisher, which is press forward, publications. You'll find most of these things are self-explanatory. We do not have an ISBN for this ebook at this point, and we can add that later. It's not required. And the name of this book is Dragon's Tear. We're going to say copyright 2014. Press forward, publications. Pardon my typing. The edition notes are just for you. I'm going to say for PubML export, because I might want to design a separate copy of the book for ePub export. Now, this is English language. You can see all of the language choices are here. I'm going to fill in the subjects later, but you can go to the Book Industry Study Group site and you can look up your subject codes and descriptions, and these are used in ebook metadata. Now, let's put in Geller, Richard as the author, and I'll leave that role as author, and because I'm responsible for the cover design, I'm going to go ahead and give myself credit here as the designer, and here it is. I can put a description of what this book is about, but I'm going to add that later. I can also put a short 160 character description, and this is for search engines. Remember that PubML books go on the web. I'm going to go ahead and put in the link to Richard Geller's website, which is siteaboutsomething.com. And the last thing this is going to ask me to do is upload an image. I happen to have a cover image already prepared. This is using the standard WordPress image uploader, and here is the image that I've prepared for the cover. Now this is going to be a 6:9 print book, so the aspect ratio of my height to my width of the image is also 6:9. I'm going to click the open button. It's going to upload. It'll take a minute. It's 933 by 1400. Here's an image of the cover. I will choose this, and then at the bottom, very important, I'm going to submit this book metadata. Metadata being all of the information about the book. Once that's done, we can see that Dragon's Tear is here in the library.